Precision targeting in Facebook and Instagram ads is crucial for maximizing return on investment. By understanding user demographics, interests, and behaviors, advertisers can tailor campaigns to engage the most relevant audience. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also significantly reduces wasted ad spend, ensuring marketing efforts are both efficient and effective. Targeting in social ads is crucial, with over 2.5 billion global users on Facebook and Instagram by 2025. Precise audience targeting can improve return on investment by 300% and reduce wasted ad spend by 89%. Understanding your target audience ensures your marketing efforts reach the right people, maximizing your investment's impact. A target audience is a specific group defined by demographics, interests, and behaviors. This focus allows advertisers to tailor messages to those most likely to engage. For instance, a coffee shop might target university students aged 18 to 24 interested in specialty coffee and vegan food within a 10-mile radius of campus. Meta's advertising platform offers 3 audience types: saved, custom, and lookalike. Saved audiences are predefined based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, ideal for reaching new customers. Custom audiences retarget those familiar with your brand, enhancing conversion rates. Lookalike audiences expand reach by targeting users similar to your best customers, boosting conversions significantly. Audience overlap between saved, custom, and lookalike audiences enhances targeting precision. Combining saved and custom audiences identifies existing customers fitting new demographics. Custom and lookalike audiences uncover new prospects similar to engaged visitors. Overlapping all 3 maximizes precision, targeting high-value prospects for premium campaigns. To create a saved audience, access Meta Ads Manager and select Audiences. Click Create Audience and choose Saved Audience. Set location parameters, define demographics like age and gender, and apply detailed targeting with interests and behaviors. Review the audience size for optimal reach. For a fitness studio in New York City, target a 10-mile radius, ages 25 to 34, with interests in fitness and wellness. Custom audiences are crucial for retargeting warm leads, who are 70% more likely to convert. Utilize sources like customer lists, website traffic, app activity, engagement, and offline activity. For instance, retarget cart abandoners with a 15% discount, boosting conversion rates to 8 to 12%, compared to 1 to 2% for cold traffic. Lookalike audiences leverage Meta's algorithm to expand your reach by identifying new users with traits similar to your custom audience. Start with a high-quality source audience, select your target region, and choose an audience size from 1% to 10%. This approach can increase conversions by 30% and reduce cost per acquisition by 62%. Instagram ads leverage Meta's platform for cross-platform campaigns, yet require unique strategies due to distinct demographics. With 62% of users under 34, Instagram boasts 4 times higher engagement than Facebook. Popular ad formats include stories, reels, and shopping ads, each offering unique benefits like urgency, reach, and trust building. High-quality visuals are crucial for success. Create custom audiences from Instagram engagers like profile visitors and story viewers, as they convert 3 times better. Use Instagram's interactive features like polls and quizzes to boost interaction by 40 to 50%. Start with automatic bidding, then switch to manual for better control. Post during peak times and use a mix of hashtags for reach. In 2025, Instagram ad spend varies by industry. Technology sectors lead in investment due to high product values and business-to-business targeting. Beauty and fashion excel in conversion rates, driven by visual appeal and impulse buying. Food and beverage sectors benefit from low cost per click, thanks to broad appeal. Align budgets with industry benchmarks, but prioritize niche targeting and creative testing. Facebook's 20% text rule has evolved. While Meta no longer enforces it strictly, ads with less than 20% text still perform better, achieving 27% higher engagement and 33% better conversion rates. Use Meta's text overlay tool for feedback, and shift text to add copy fields for improved readability and performance. Strategic exceptions include product packaging and infographics. Effective Facebook and Instagram advertising hinges on key metrics like impressions, reach, and click-through rate, CTR. Aim for a frequency of 2 to 3 times per user to avoid fatigue. A click-through rate above 2% is excellent, reducing costs and improving ad ranking. Optimize cost per click by enhancing ad relevance, and focus on conversion rates driven by landing page experience. Ben Heath's success with Meta ads is rooted in hypergranular audience segmentation, reducing wasted spend by 60%. His continuous testing framework scales winners and cuts losers swiftly. Data-driven optimization improved client return on ad spend from 2.5 times to 6.8 times. Advanced retargeting sequences nurture prospects through tailored messaging, proving that precision and persistence drive results. Mastering Facebook and Instagram ads starts with small strategic tests. Analyze data relentlessly, scale successful campaigns methodically, and adapt continuously. Define your ideal customer, create targeted audiences, and launch test campaigns. With commitment, these platforms can transform your business outcomes. Begin today by building your perfect audience and iterating based on insights. Success awaits those who persist.